Top 5 Best Impact Driver. Number 5. DEWALT DCF887D2 Impact Driver Kit. The brushless motor of this driver allow it to run longer and smoother. Brushless motors have become very in fashion in the last few years. The benefit is that the motor adjusts to the task at hand. More resistance, the drill will work harder, so it does the thinking for you. With 3 different speeds, it can literally do any job you need it to. It offers a wide variety of applications. And with the precision drive in speed 1, you have maximum control over the driver. In terms of battery life, the DEWALT DCF887D2 is a winner. In a matter of minutes it is fully charged and ready to go, so you'll never be late for a job if you've forgotten the night before. And finally, there is a great 3-year warranty included when you buy this product, so it's on par with some of the others, being the higher side. Pros. When you buy the DEWALT DCF887D2, you also get a handy belt clip and toolkit. This allows you to carry it with you wherever you go, whether it be in the case or on your belt. A brushless motored drill, need I say any more? Super fast charging, so you'll never be hanging around. Cons. 3 speeds will cover pretty much everything you require from the drill. However, some of the other drills reviewed here have the benefit of being variable. Coming in number 4. Makita XDT111 Kit. The Makita XDT111 has a great variable speed option and can operate anywhere between 0 and 2900 RPM. This gives you a wide variety of applications, perfect for any job. On top of it just being light and compact, which of course is a great benefit, this driver also has a rubberized soft grip for maximum comfort and minimal user fatigue. Compared to average drivers, the Makita XDT111 has 26% more RPM, outperforming most on the market and giving you extra power literally in the palm of your hand. The all-metal housing adds to this driver's durability and on-site functionality. You do not have to worry about something falling and breaking it, or dropping it. The metal housing protects it from most everything. Don't worry about battery life either, because in our tests this drill was one of the best. Overall, this is a very good product suitable for all needs and requirements. It also comes with a very nice 3-year warranty, so you'll feel more at ease taking this on jobs. Pros. You don't have to get all tangled up in cords anymore. It is totally cordless and portable anywhere. It also comes with a tool case to carry it in. As mentioned before, the 3-year warranty. Variable speeds make this extremely flexible. Cons. The warranty is great, but it is a little unfortunate that it only lasts 2 years. I fully believe if you make it past the 2-year mark without any problems, then you won't have any. But I'm no psychic, and something could happen anytime. 2 years is better than nothing. And even though it is not a lifetime warranty, it is more than you get with some other brands. Coming in number 3. Porter Cable PCCK604L2. The Porter Cable Combo Kit includes 1 drill and 1 driver. With this set, there is no drilling or driving and a fastening job that you will not be able to do. Both tools are compact and light and have ergonomic handles, so you will have no problem with work fatigue. The kit comes with 220 volts lithium-ion batteries with 1.3 amp-hours cells that provide more power and increased runtime, charger, and soft carrying case. Charger will return batteries to full charge, which will help you get back to work in no time. The drill or driver is equipped with a high-performance motor that is producing an incredible 283 unit watts out. The driver can deliver 1,450 inch-pounds of torque, and it features a quick load chuck that makes bit changes much easier. Pros. LED lights to make the work in tight spots easier, great for working at night. Powerful drill that doesn't fault even on the toughest materials. Compact and light, making it suitable for anyone. Cons. Great casing that is solid and sturdy. Coming in number 2. DEWALT DCK240C2. This combo kit features both the drill driver and the impact driver. There is not a job that will ever be hard for you ever again. Both drills are very compact and surprisingly lightweight, which makes them terrific for the tighter areas. This driver is outfitted with the one-handed loading mechanism that easily accepts 1-inch bit tips. It also has 3 LED lights with the delay of 20 seconds, making it incredibly easy to use when the darker areas are in question. Concerning the drill driver, its motor is capable of delivering the amazing 300 units of watts at 2 possible speeds, a power to be reckoned with. Both the drill driver and the driver are powered by lithium-ion batteries, a common standard for quality in the industrial world. The great value lies in this combo kit, for it provides the means for any and all builders, offering a lot of possibilities. The drill driver, charger combo set is what you need to get the job done properly. Pros: a combo of drills means lots of versatility. Lithium-ion batteries for amazing battery life. Strong and reliable to make for a long-lasting drill. LED lights that help with tight spots for extra visibility. Cons: batteries might take a while to recharge but only needs to be done once in a way. Coming in number 1. Makita XDT042 18 volts LXT. This fine toolkit will provide you with what you need to do your construction job properly. It comes with a variety of attachments, so if you need to finish a job that includes fastening a great variety of screws, this is the perfect drill for you. The 2 variable speeds make it ideal for different tasks, while the compact design makes it quite easy to use. The Makita XDT042 is lightweight, weighing only 3.3 pounds so that you won't be fatigued after prolonged use. The powerful 4-pole motor is capable of delivering the astonishing 14-20 inch-pounds of torque. There's not a single task this machine can't accomplish. One of the best things about it is that it's powered by lithium-ion batteries, that makes the Makita XDT042 very reliable and capable. The toolkit is equipped with various parts to be attached to the drill, making any fastening process easy and simple. Pros: compact design, it is easily held in hand and used in even the tightest spots. Lightweight, you won't be fatigued at all, even when jobs require a lot of time and effort. Variable speeds. Very powerful 4-pole motor. Cons: some people might already have their attachment kits and need only the drill.